Muscle contraction begins when muscle fibers are stimulated by a nerve impulse where calcium ions are released. The calcium ions bind with troponin. Following this, tropomyosin is displaced along with the myofilaments, which then expose myosin building sites.
At this time, the head of each myosin unit is bound to an ADP and a phosphate molecule, which remain from the previous contraction. Then, the myosin heads release these phosphates and bind to the actin myofilaments through the newly exposed myosin building sites. Powered by the chemical energy stored in their heads, the two myofilaments glide past one another, propelled by the head-first movement of the myosin units. As the units move, ADP molecules bound to their heads are released.
Afterwards, the motion is halted when ATP molecules bind to the myosin heads, severing the bonds between actin and myosin. The ATP molecules are then decomposed into ADP and phosphate. With the energy released, the whole reaction stored in the myosin heads, it can be ready to be used for the next cycle. Finally, the myosin heads resume their starting positions along with the actin myofilament and can now start a new sequence of actin binding. The calcium ions now return to their storage sites at the sarcomere,